Okay, so hi there folks. In this next video on the fundamentals of mathematics, we're going to talk about division of fractions. So we're already done with the addition, subtraction, and multiplication of fractions. This is the last fundamental operation that we haven't talked about, and we're going to finish it now. So in dividing fractions, what we will to do is to change the operation from division into multiplication. Provided we get the reciprocal, this is what we call the multiplicative inverse of the divisor. Okay, so you remember reciprocal. This is hopefully you can remember our video in the axioms of the real numbers. If not, let's give an example. Say you have the number 2/3 and you want to get the reciprocal of 2/3. So what is the reciprocal of 2/3? So its reciprocal is this 2 is on the numerator. Let's put that on the denominator. And this 3 is on the denominator. Let's put that on the numerator. So that's simply the opposite of 2/3. That's the reciprocal. That is 3 over 2. One more example will be, shall we have 2/7? 2 over 7, its reciprocal is, I think you know that, 7 over 2. Okay, so that's how we get reciprocals. So we change the operation from division to multiplication, provided we change the divisor, its divisor, the second number, and get its reciprocal. After getting that, by changing the operation, by getting the reciprocal of the divisor, we then follow the process of multiplication, which makes things easy from there. And don't forget to reduce the answer to its simplest form, as always. Okay, so to cite you some examples for the division of fractions, let's try to have these two examples here. Okay, so here we go. So for example, number one, say we have 2 over 3, 2/3, divided by 3 over 4. So what are we going to do? First up, we're going to change this division into multiplication, or we can use this. If you can remember our subtraction of integers, okay, we have this acronym KFC. So what are we going to do with the KFC? We're going to keep this, okay, keep this number. This will just become 2/3, okay? So not really become, we'll just copy this literally, 2/3. After this, we will flip the operation from division going to multiplication. So this is 2/3 times, provided we change, okay, what? We change the divisor into its reciprocal. So if you do that, remember, this becomes 4 over 3. So this is your KFC. Okay, so we have 2/3 multiplied by 4 over 3. This will give us, by the rules of multiplication, multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9. Can we still, can we still simplify this? No, we cannot simplify this anymore. So this is our answer for number 1, 8 over 9. Okay, again, don't forget the keep, flip, and change. Okay, for our next number, number 2. Oops. Okay, for our number 2, okay, let's have this. Number 2, um, let's have a mixed number. Say we have 1 and 5 over 6 divided by 4/3. Now, one of our rules in division is that we cannot just simply divide mixed numbers by a fraction, or so simply mixed numbers by mixed numbers. So what we need to do is to make this first, this mixed number here, this 1 and 5 over 6, into an improper fraction. So if we want to do that, multiply 6 times 1 plus 5. And then we'll do this like this. Okay, so how it's going to be? 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, 6 plus 5 is 11. And we're going to copy the denominator. So 1 and 5 over 6 is equivalent to 11 over 6. And then let's just copy the rest first. Okay, there. So we're fixed for the dividend. It's now a fraction. It's now our turn to follow the KFC. KFC. So let's keep this. Let's flip this. Let's change this. So if you're going to keep the dividend, so of course we will just need to copy it. 11 over 6. Flip the operation into multiplication, provided you get the reciprocal, you change the number to its reciprocal, 3 over 4. Okay, so let's follow the rules in multiplication. We will multiply numerator to numerator, 11 times 30 times 3. Let's put it above, okay? Let's put this as 33. And then 6 times 4, okay? I think you know that. This is 24. Do we have any common things here? Okay, any common number which is divisible by both of them? Okay, anything at all? Okay, let's try to check. 3 plus 3 is 6, so meaning 33 is divisible by 6. 2 plus 4 is also 6, so meaning 24 is also divisible by 3. So that's their GCD, actually, that's 3. Let's divide the numerator by 3, divide the denominator by 3. In the end, what we will get is 33 divided by 3 is, it led us back to 11. 24 divided by 3 is actually 8. Okay, it's 8. And then, as you can see, this is an improper number, so we want to make it mixed because, improper numbers are simply improper. So let's have the division here, 11 over 8. So how many 8s are there in 11? We only have 1. So we're going to deduct 8 from here. So what's the answer? 11 minus 8 is going to give us 3. So it's not divisible anymore. So this is our remainder. This is our remainder, meaning this is our numerator in the mixed number. This is our quotient, meaning um, this is our whole number. And this is our dividend, rather divisor, which will be our denominator. Okay, so let's follow this. 1 and 3 over 8. Okay, 1 and 3 over 8. So this is equivalent to saying 1 and 3 over 8. And this is our answer for number 2. Okay, so that's our answer for number 2. That is 1 and 5 over 6 divided by 4 over 3. So that's it for this video. We have 2 examples. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you will like and subscribe to my channel, and um, you know don't forget to hit the bell button so that you'll get updated for the latest content. So thank you very much and see you soon. Bye.